pretty creepy. It's one eye. It's like, wow, pictures.
Oh yeah, I put the video on him and he stopped.
It's like everything looks like wolfware. You know, I'm going to go hammer a nail into a board.
What are you doing? Here, let's move. Oh, what's the burp?
Thought I heard a burp.
Where are you going?
Did he just fart?
Yeah. Oh, now he's smiling. He's happy. Are you ticklish?